Helsinki, Finland's sustainable capital, is a lively seaside city with stunning islands and lush green metropolitan areas. With vibrant culinary, design, architecture, and sauna scenes, Helsinki marches to its own lovely and distinctive rhythm. Helsinki is Finland's largest city, with a population of 1.4 million people living in the metropolitan region. On a map, Helsinki appears to be in the far north of Europe, but it is a convenient hub with direct flights from east to west. Is there no flight? Not an issue. The Baltic Sea connects Helsinki to St. Petersburg, Estonia and Sweden. In fact, the water is one of the city's most distinguishing features. The Helsinki archipelago is made up of approximately 300 fascinating islands. Helsinki's rhythm is laid back, and the city is literally approachable. With just one gorgeous metro line, the public transit system is one of the greatest in the world, and it is also simple to walk and bike around. Many of Helsinki's most popular attractions make excellent day trips. On the island of Suurasari, for example, you may visit the open-air museum, feed the squirrels, and enjoy the scenery as you walk around the perimeter. A visit to the old wooden Karuna church is also highly recommended. In addition to Helsinki, the capital region is a center of other attractive cities and tourist attractions. These include the nearby city of Espoo and Vantaa, the ancient town of Porvoo, the Järvenpää-Tuusula region, which is well known for its artistic history, and the ironwork villages west of Helsinki. 6 national parks are less than 2 hours drive from Helsinki, and there are several additional natural locations to explore. Helsinki is filled with positive energy. A day ticket including metro, bus and tram routes, as well as the Sommenlinna ferry, makes it simple to move around. Children under the age of 7 ride for free. Transfer time is quick, 30 minutes to and from the airport through taxi, bus or train. There are comfy yellow city bikes for rent, as well as boats that will transport you to some of the 330 surrounding islands. It's also simple to move around on foot, as it only takes 40 minutes to walk from one side of the town to the other. There is sauna and Santa Claus when you think about Finland, but there is also coffee. Surprisingly, Finns consume the most coffee in the world, despite the fact that there are just a few Starbucks in the entire country. If you need a caffeine boost, head to one of Helsinki's cafes, coffee shops or roasters. No cups are counted there, as the typical local consumes 3 to 4 mugs per day. The most popular museums have something for everyone. Visit Kiasma for contemporary art and the architecture of the building itself. Ham, the recently reborn Helsinki Art Museum, for its convenient location and a delightful collection of local masterpieces, as well as pop-up exhibitions of masterminds such as Ai Weiwei or Design Museum for Finnish icons, but also for their Saturday program for children. Worth to mention is the National Museum of Finland, that is both beautiful and tells the stories of this unusual northern nation. Afternoons are ideal for shopping since there are less people, and some of the smaller stores close a little earlier in the evening than those on the main shopping streets such as Esplanadi, Aleksandrinkatu and Mannerheimintie. Water may be found everywhere across Helsinki. A relaxing afternoon walk, biking ride, or run along the city's shores will take you to some of the city's most popular attractions, including the Sibelius Monument, Finlandia Hall, City Hall, Old Market Hall, Market Square, and Sky Wheel. It is also a great opportunity to explore the city from the sea if you want to take a tourist ferry trip. You may even take boats from the Market Square to any of the surrounding coastal islands, such as Lona, Valisari, or Sumelina, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The one-way trip takes 10 to 20 minutes and allows you to breathe in such a fresh air. In Finland, there are approximately 3 million saunas, which is more than the country's cars. Even in cities, many people consider a Saturday evening sauna to be a must. A tourist may also warm up in any of the city's public sauna, which are open till late. Culture sauna in Merihaka, modern sauna in Loili in Hernesaari, and Alas Sea Pool in Katajanoka are for architecture lovers. Dinner is served at one of Helsinki's many restaurants, which continue to grow like mushrooms after a rain. Every year a multitude of new restaurants opens in Helsinki, offering delicious tasting menus, dinner tours and meals to enjoy. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.